My name's Joey Watkins, Product Manager for High Brightness Projectors at Epson Europe. And here we're demonstrating our range of new fixed lens installation projectors. So these products now have an improved range of short throw lenses. So the one we have on display here has a 0.5 to 0.7 to 1 throw ratio. So this is perfect for immersive installations, visitor attractions, and this kind of stuff. We also have a model with a 0.79 to 1.36 to 1 throw ratio. So again, similar types of applications, probably starting to see it coming into corporate and education spaces. And then we've even expanded the brightness of the range, now up to 8,000 lumens in a really super compact product platform. Something we're really excited about is that we're now using recycled plastics in the manufacture of our products too. If you want to find out more, you can visit epson.eu/ProAV.